All right, what's going on, friends? In this video, I'm going to show you how to change out your air filter in your Honda Pilot. Now, we have a 2022 Honda Pilot. This may be similar. I definitely know it's similar if you have like a 2019, 2020, 2021. Should be real similar to that. So, first thing we're going to do is open the hood. Your hood latch to open your hood is right down here, really close to where your emergency brake is, or just right inside the door. Just pull that out. Now you got your little Honda emblem right here. You're going to stick your hand up inside here, and there's a little lever you got to push to the right. I push that to the right, and I can pick my hood up. And you can just pick this up, stick it in that little hole right there. Boom, easy. All right, now we're looking in under the hood. If I'm looking at the car to the right of me, right here is your air filter. Very, very simple to change. Let me show you how to do it. There's a little clip right here you got to pull out on it. Real simple. Pull out on this one here too. And then there's one right down in here. It's hard for me to show you that one. Pull that one out. Boom. Easy. Get your new air filter. All you got to do is pull up on this. Take your old air filter out. It's probably really dirty if you haven't changed it in a while. And we're going to take that new filter. And this rubber piece is going to kind of be more at the top. So just slide that down in there. Drops right in. Now when you're putting this cover back on, it's another part that's kind of hard for me to show you, but right back in here, like right over here was where we clip or unhook those two little clips. Back in there, there's two little tabs. It's not hard, but you just got to make sure they're kind of lined up and they go in the holes. If you look back in there, you'll see two little holes back in there that those two tabs got to line up in, or you won't have your air filter on it correctly. There we go. Clip that up. Clip this one up. Make sure you get that third one on the side. There we go. It's a little bit harder, but now those clips probably won't go up if you don't have them tabs in correctly. But that's it. All right, I'll try to put a link to this air filter down in my description and probably in my first comment. So if this video helped you out by changing your air filter in your Honda Pilot, please give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. I love reading all them comments. I try to reply to all of them. So if you got to just comment down there, say thank you, or just leave me a comment, let me know where you're from. I love reading all them comments and where everybody is from. Hit that subscribe button to help support my channel. God bless and have a great day.